It really tastes very terrible. Spring is here in Germany. Nein, ich habe keinen Bock. 15 Euro. We're going through the jungle. This is the best ice cream you can have. Alright, it is Saturday in April and the weather is absolutely amazing. Look at this. It's literally t-shirt weather, and a lot of people would say go to the park, go outside, have fun, and so on. But unfortunately, we are busy people. So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to go to the gym. I'm going to show you how the gym looks like here. Then we're going to go grocery shopping. We're going to go to Reve, most likely, and I'm going to show you what I buy from there, what I don't like from there. And yeah, I think that's going to be fun. Then we're gonna have some food and I'm gonna continue working. But yeah, it's gonna be a fun day, fun type of video. Let's see how it ends up. First, we need to get ready, have some coffee, and then we'll go. The first thing I like to do on a Saturday is make some coffee. And I'm not a coffee guy, I hate coffee. I only do it for the caffeine, which is why I got the shittiest coffee you can find because I don't want to get into the taste or get an addiction. It really tastes very terrible. Also, what I've been trying to do recently is to sit on the floor because we sit on a chair all the time. And that's really bad for your hamstrings, for your hips, all of the leg muscles. So sitting on the floor, stretching, moving around is actually really good for you long term. So if you don't do that already, try it out. Not good at all. I almost forgot to mention one thing. Today we're also going to set up my new format of videos. It's going to be a podcast style videos with a lot of different people. But yeah, we got the equipment for that. So we're going to do that later today. But right now, we need to get ready for the gym. All right, so we're on our way to the gym. The weather is absolutely fantastic. I'm wearing t-shirts and shorts. Actually, it's very surprising that the weather is so warm because April was really bad this year. We're gonna go to the gym. I'm gonna do a push day. I'm trying to work towards a one-arm push-up. So we're gonna do that. And yeah, weather, everything looks pretty good. The walk to the gym is 20 minutes or 25 minutes on a bad day. But I do it because right now I want to be in a calorie deficit. It's super annoying sometimes, but you know, it is a walk and walking is good for you. Can't complain. In general, I have nothing against walking, but if you do the same walk every day, then it gets really boring really quickly. But yeah, spring is here in Germany officially. You can see the leaves, they look pretty nice. Yeah, and the sun is out too. Also, the gym that I go to is kind of a fancy gym, a lot of old people. But the reason I go there is not because they have a lot of equipment, they don't, but they have a wide, big area for free training, which is what I usually do, push ups, pull ups, those sort of things. And it's very open air, very bright, beautiful. So I think it's fine. Even if it doesn't have the best of equipment, a lot of equipment, it's still a pretty nice place to be. I'm gonna show you in a bit. Wait. The good thing about Germany is that it's so beautiful in the summer, and also it's so quiet. Look at this. There's no car noise, there's no pollution. Everything is just peaceful and slow. It's slow. That's the right word for it. I think the pace of life here is so slow that it's enjoyable. Right now it looks better than it actually is, but this walk is very annoying. I hate it. In the winters it was so bad, but right now it looks amazing, right? You see this Baustelle, this construction work going on? This is what I was talking about. This is the third one now that we've seen, and because of this, I'm gonna have to go through a jungle just to get through my gym. Let me show you. We're going through the jungle. Crazy. Ja, und ich weiß, der Vertrag kommt zu Ende, oder? Ich bekomme ein Treueangebot, gleich 15 Euro pro Karte. Hast du etwas ähnlich oder besser? 15 Euro, oder? Nein, 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 ich habe keinen Bock. 15 Euro ist 15 Euro pro Karte, so insgesamt 30. Ja. So that was a call from O2, which is my SIM provider. My contract is running out soon, so they're gonna be contacting me with a lot of offers just so I stay on their network. But as a consumer, I have a lot of power here because they can give me really good offers. But pro tip, don't just sign the first offer that they give you. Go to the shop. Everybody is inclined to get you to sign their offer because they get a commission for that. So always get offers from the telephone, from the app, from the shop, and choose the best one. Right now, I feel a bit hungry and I need some carbs if I'm going to the gym. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get some juice or something from the grocery store. And yeah, I'm gonna take you with me. Let's go. Let's go to the gym. So here's how entering the gym looks like. And that was it basically. Now we are in. I'm gonna put my bag inside the locker. And we are done. Need to take some stuff out first. Towel, water bottle. So today is basically push day and I'm gonna do some push-ups. I'm gonna do dips, then we're gonna do a couple of exercises for the shoulder, a couple of exercises for triceps, and then we are gonna be done. Alright, so we are done with the gym. It was an intense session. I'm a bit tired, a bit hungry, but now we gotta do groceries. Because on Sundays, everything in Germany is closed. But also, some sort of good slash bad news. My MacBook, which was at the Apple store for a repair that they did for free, is done. But they also said that apparently the display needs to be changed. But let's see, I'm gonna go there as well. But yeah, that's also something added to the agenda. And that's my point. Weekends in Germany aren't really always the most relaxing because you got to do so much stuff that piled over the week. And this is just one of those things. Alright, so we just entered Rewe, which is my favorite grocery store in Germany. And to be honest, I don't know what I want to buy here. But there's always something that you can stock up on. So yeah, let's go and see what we're gonna get for the weekend. So in general, the fruits and vegetables at Rewe, I feel, are much better than the quality you get at Lidl, for example. They might be cheaper, but the quality at Rewe is usually much better. So what do I need? I have fruit at home, but I think we need to buy some gherkin. Gherkin is basically cucumber. Oh, that's a good one. What I really like about Rewe is how everything looks so beautiful. Look at the lighting, the organization. This is not something you get at Lidl. I like Lidl. Entschuldigung. Okay. But Rewe just looks so much better. I also need to get yogurt. I get the lactose-free one. I think that suits my stomach much better. What else? What else do we need? So in general, you would come to Reve for the variety. If you look at the kind of stuff that they have here, you won't get that from a lot of grocery stores. So some things that I usually get from the grocery store, I'll show you. I get this. This is the Coca-Cola, no caffeine, no calories. I think it helps me sleep better, and also it just tastes good, without any of the harm, theoretically. Oh yeah. This is also pretty useful. Canned tomatoes. You don't have to do a lot of stuff, and you can make curries with it. The other good thing at Reve is the amount of desserts and snacks they have. You'll get the widest variety of ice cream at Reve's, and it's pretty good. The Snickers is really good. Magnum is always pretty good, but there's one thing that you definitely need to try. Let's see if they have it. This thing, Kinder Bueno. This is absolutely amazing. This is the best ice cream you can have. But also in terms of frozen stuff, these fish are really good, especially as a snack if you don't have anything else. And yeah, frozen fries are always a hit. But yeah, I don't think we need much. We have vegetables at home. What did we get at the end of the day? We got a yogurt, a couple of tomatoes, canned tomatoes, a gherkin, and I think we should be set. We have chicken at home. So in Germany also, pack and bill your groceries yourself, which is pretty good because you can do it faster than the people at the counter. Then once you're done, you take the slip, you scan it, and the door opens, and you're done. We've done our groceries. Now we're gonna go home. I really need to eat something. And yeah, maybe later we go to the Apple store to get our MacBook. I told you before, the walk from the gym to back home is exceptionally annoying, and that is the case right now. I'm so tired. I really don't want to walk 30 minutes, but there's no public transport route to my home, to the gym, and the other alternative is to take a car rental or a car sharing thing, or my bike, but my bike is also there for repair, so walking is the only option I have. But it's a nice day, so we can't really complain. I also live in a nice neighborhood, I feel like. Look at the buildings and the people. It's not too noisy, it's not too busy, but it's also very central. And the buildings, it's a rich neighborhood theoretically, but yeah, it's a nice place. All right, so we are home, and I just heated up my lunch. So this is labgai, which is a Thai dish with some rice, and these are some vegetables. Those are very healthy. Let me show you. So this is about 250 grams of cooked minced chicken, 160 grams of white rice, and then some veggies. And that's gonna be my lunch. Yeah, I'm gonna enjoy this meal. And then I have so much stuff to do. I have to go to the Apple store. Then I have to script some videos, short form and long form, for my Instagram and YouTube. And then I need to set up the studio that I told you about for a podcast. So here I want to invite some people that I know talk about important topics for a lot of internationals in Germany and just life abroad in general. But yeah, that is the plan. So let's see how long this video will be. As I mentioned in the start, weekends in Germany are pretty hectic. It's not like in Pakistan or other countries where you can relax and you have help. You have to do everything yourself. And that list of things that you need to do vary from week to week. But some weeks you have a lot of stuff piled for the weekend, like I have this week. So that's it. It's weekends in Germany are pretty boring, I feel like. All right, so let's end this video here. I'm gonna make a follow-up part for part two, where we're gonna go to the Apple store, set up the podcast studio, and then also I'll show you what other work I'm gonna do. But the point of this video was that I want to show you what real life in Germany looks like. So, for example, what does a weekend look like for me as a professional in Germany? And it's also most likely the same for students in Germany. It's not always exciting or fun. It's just life, but in a different place. So yeah, hope that was interesting for you, and see you in the next part.